Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very special dish. These are croquettes and they are super easy to make and delicious with a little touch of cheese inside. If you're new to my channel, I want to give you a warm welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. I'll be posting the ingredients in the description below as well as other useful links. Let's start cooking. I have a pound of ground beef and I'll add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, a small onion diced in small pieces, a 1/4 cup of Italian-style breadcrumbs, and ground black pepper to taste. Next, we're going to combine all those ingredients. I have 2 stations. On the first one, I have a cup of cornmeal and on the second one, 2 eggs. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of salt to the cornmeal and ground black pepper to taste. You can also add other spices that you like. And we're going to use a whisk to mix that really well. You can also use your hands, and it's even better. Whisk the eggs lightly. Here I have pepper jack cheese and I'm going to be cutting just a few pieces into about 1/2 inch chunks. For the next step, I'll be using a large scooper with trigger release. And do not overfill the scooper, just fill it up to the edge. Make a ball with your hands, then stretch it lightly to form a rectangle or an oval. Next, we're going to place a piece of the cheese in the center. Fold the sides and the top, and then tuck it inside. We're going to use our hands to roll it to form the croquettes. Repeat the process with the rest of the mixture. You can also make some croquettes without the cheese inside, just in case somebody prefers the simple croquettes. Now we're going to proceed to the stations. First, I'm going to grab one of the croquettes and dip it into the cornmeal, then into the eggs, and finally to the cornmeal again. Repeat the process until all of them are well coated. Depending on how many croquettes you make, you might want to add additional cornmeal or 1 more egg. Just ensure that you add salt and pepper to the cornmeal mixture. I have the stove on medium heat and I'm going to add 1/3 cup of olive oil to our skillet. I prepared a separate plate with paper towel to absorb any extra grease. After preheating the oil on medium heat, I'm going to add each of the croquettes, avoiding overcrowding the skillet. I'll be turning them on each side every 20 to 30 seconds. And I'll be repeating this process until they are golden brown. Remember that the oil should not be too hot. We don't want to burn the croquettes. We want them to cook inside and end up with a nice golden brown color. The entire process is going to take between 9 and 10 minutes. Keep turning them every 20 to 30 seconds to ensure that they cook evenly. It's been almost 10 minutes and my croquettes are beginning to have a really nice light brown color. They are done, and now I'm going to transfer them to the plate that is lined with a paper towel. Wait at least 1 minute before consuming. Let's take a look inside. Look at this delicious cheesy croquette. The taste is amazing and the cheese makes it even better. They are crunchy on the outside and soft and juicy on the inside. They are irresistible. Let's take one more look inside. And there you have it. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others. And another reminder that the ingredients are in the description below. Have a wonderful and very blessed day.